Hello. In this demo, we're comparing our Nera chat app with Gemini to show you how we handle evaluations on fully protected sheets. We'll start by installing the Nera Protection add-in and protecting an Excel sheet. Then, we'll ask our chat app a question using that protected file. And finally, we'll ask Gemini the exact same question, but using the original unprotected sheet. Let's start by installing our exclusive add-in. First, open up Excel in your browser. A quick trick is to just type excel.new in your address bar. Once that's open, click on Add-ins, then select More Add-ins. Go to the My Add-ins tab and choose Upload My Add-in. Simply browse for our manifest file, select it, and you're done. Congratulations, you now have the Nera Protection add-in installed. Let's get the add-in running. Open it up and log in. Just a quick note. You should use the same account here that you'll be using inside the Nera chat app. Now, let's find that original sheet. Once you open it, take a look at the data. You've got numbers, categories, and most importantly, the sensitive details we want to keep safe. We need to move this to the cloud, so copy everything and paste it into the Excel window in your browser. We are going to focus on securing the numerical data. Go to the drop-down menu and select the 7 numerical columns. Once they are selected, simply click Protect Sheet. Once the protection is complete, a prompt will ask you to open the result in a new window. Go ahead and click Yes. Now that the new sheet is open, we need to download a copy to use in our chat app later. To make comparison easy in the demo between the chat apps, I recommend adding the prefix protected to the file name. This way, we can easily distinguish it from the original file later on. Let's place the sheets side by side for a quick comparison. Focus on the first numerical column. For instance, quantity. Look at that first value on the left. It is fully protected, giving absolutely no clue as to what the original number is. Let's launch the Nera chat app. Use that same email and password from the previous step to log in. And just like that, you're in. Welcome to Nera chat app. We've reached the main event, the head-to-head comparison. On the left, we have Nera running on the protected sheet. On the right, Gemini using the original file. Let's see how they compare. Upload the original file to Gemini Pro and the protected version to Nera. We are asking both to compute the annual recurring revenue for every product. And we want those insights visualized in both tables and charts. While they process, keep in mind the difference here. Gemini has the easy job. It is looking directly at your raw sales figures. Nera, on the other hand, is performing these complex calculations on ciphertexts. The model literally cannot see the values it is analyzing. And there we have it. Both models finished at almost the exact same time, generating identical tables and charts. But notice the difference in Nera. Our charts aren't just static images. They are fully interactive. You can hover and explore the data directly. And just like with Gemini, you can export the full tables with a single click. Essential for handling those massive datasets. As you've seen today, you no longer have to choose between the power of generative AI and the security of your data. With Nera, you get the same speed, the same insights, and the same utility as the industry giants, but with zero exposure of your sensitive information. Experience the future of secure analytics. Visit us at Nera Systems to get started.